second semester class. I am Dr. Sashikant Tambrakar from Bharati College of Agricultural Engineering, Durg. I will teach theory of machine of BTech first year second semester class.
Dear friends, today we will solve one numerical. Locate all the instantaneous center of the slider crank mechanism as shown in figure. The length of crank OB and connecting rod AB are 100 mm and 400 mm respectively. If the crank rotates clockwise with an angular velocity of 10 radian per second, find first velocity of slider A and second angular velocity of connecting rod AB. So this is the figure of the question. AB is 400 mm and BO is 100 mm, and point B moves in clockwise direction with an angular velocity of 10 radian per second. So here data given are WOB equal to WOB is 10 radian per second. OB is given 100 mm, that is 0.1 meter. We know that linear velocity of the crank OB VOB equal to VB equal to omega OB into OB equal to 10 into 0.1, that is 1 meter per second. Now for the location of instantaneous center of this arrangement, the instantaneous center in a slider crank mechanism are located point first. Since there are 4 links n equal to 4, therefore the number of instantaneous center equal to 6. N equal to small n into n minus 1 by 2, this comes 6. Here in the slider crank mechanism, the crank rotates and pin is connected, and the bearing block to and fro motion is there. Here is the connecting rod and this is the slider. So here second point, the 4 link mechanism, the bookkeeping table may be drawn as discussed earlier. Bookkeeping table we have to prepare. Then third point, locate the fixed and permanent instantaneous center by inspection. इंस्पेक्शन से यहाँ पर हमको परमानेंट सेंटर बनाने हैं. These centers are I12, I23, I34 as shown in the figure. Since the slider link 4 move on the straight surface link 1, therefore the instantaneous center I14 will be at infinitely. Since the slider crank mechanism has 3 turning pair and 1 sliding pair, therefore there will be 3 primary fixed and permanent instantaneous center. Here is the diagram. Link 4 is fixed. Point A is reciprocating motion, reciprocates as velocity VA in x direction, and point B moves with the velocity VB, and OB rotates at 10 radian per second. So here the number of instantaneous center are from left side I34, and at point B I23 between 2 and 3, and at point O this is I12. If we extend AB, that will meet the I12 and I14 Here we know that I14 will not meet and they are at infinite, and if we extend I12, this will meet I13 from a vertical line. They will meet. Now we have to create the circular diagram. Points are there 1, 2, 3, 4, and the instantaneous center are also 1, 2, 3, 4, and dashed lines are 5 and 6. In red color it has been given. Now 4 point. Locate the other two remaining center, remaining neither fixed nor permanent instantaneous center by Aron-Hall-Keynes theorem. This is done by circle diagram as shown in the figure as we have created. Mark 4.1234 equal to number of link in the mechanism on the circle to indicate I12, I23, I34 and I14. Fifth point, join 1 to 3 to form two triangles 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 1 in the circle diagram. The side 1, 3 common to both the triangles is responsible for completing the two triangles. 1, 3 divide this square or rectangle in two triangles. Therefore, the center 1, 3 will lie on the intersection of I12 and I23 and I14, I34 produced if necessary. Thus, center I13 is located. Join 1 to 3 by a dotted line and mark number 5 on it. Next point 6. Join 2 to 4 by dotted line to form two triangles 2, 3, 4 and 1 to 4. The side 2, 4 is common to both the triangle is responsible for completing the two triangles. Therefore, the center I24 lies on the intersection of I23, I34 and I12, I14. Join 2 to 4 by a dotted line on the circle diagram and mark number 6 on it. Thus, all the 6 instantaneous centers are located. Here the 6 instantaneous centers are located. By measurement, we find that I13A is 460 mm, that is 0.46 meter, and I13B is 560 mm, that is 0.56 meter. Now, first point, velocity of slider. Let VA is velocity of slider A. We know that VA by I13A equal to VB by I13B, or VA equal to VB into I13A by I13B equal to, putting the values of VB here 1, I13A is 0.46 and I13B is 0.56, so that VA comes 0.82 meter per second. Second point, angular velocity of connecting rod AB. Let omega AB is angular velocity of connecting rod AB. We know that VA by I13A equal to VB by I13B equal to omega AB. The above picture shows a digging machine. This is a digging machine. Here load is lifted on left side. Then hydraulic rams are there, 1, 2 and 3. Exhaust waste heat from engine, and this engine rotates to 360 degree. This is the information about the digging machine. Now so omega AB equal to VB by I13B equal to 1 by 0.56. So this comes 1.78 radian per second. The velocity of slider A and angular velocity of connecting rod AB also be determined as follows. From similar triangle I13, I23, I34 and I12, I23 and I24. I12, I23 by I13, I23 equal to I23, I24, I23, I34. This is from the similar triangle, and I13, I34, I34, I23 equal to I12, I24 divided by I23, I24. These are the two equations 1 and 2. We know that omega AB equal to VB by I13B, that is equal to omega OB into OB by I13B, because omega VB equal to omega B into OB. So omega OB equal to I12, I23 by I13, I23, that is equal to omega OB into I23, I24 by I23, I34 from equation 1 and 3. Also VA equal to omega AB into I13A omega OB into I23, I24 divided by I23, I34 multiply I13, I34 from equation 3, and omega OB into I12, I24 equal to omega OB into OD from equation 2. These are the velocities. We found VA and VB. Here we can calculate from here, from this equation. These are the formula. Today we will solve one more numerical 6.5. Figure shows a sewing needle bar mechanism O1, AB, O2, CD, wherein the different dimensions are as follows. Crank O1A equal to 16 mm, angle beta equal to 45 degree, vertical distance between O1 and O2 is 40 mm, horizontal distance between O1 and O2 is 13 mm, O2B is 23 mm, AB is 35 mm, angle O2BC is 90 degree, BC equal to 16 mm, CD equal to 40 mm, D lies vertically below O. Find the velocity of needle at D for the given configuration. The crank OA rotates at 400 rpm. So here the data given are N O1A equal to 400 rpm, or omega O1A equal to 2 pi n by 60, that is 400 by 60. So this comes 41.9 radian per second. O1A equal to 16 mm, that is equal to 0.016 meter. We know that linear velocity of crank O1A equal to V O1A equal to VA equal to omega O1A multiply O1A equal to 41.9 into 0.016. This comes 0.67 meter per second. Now let us locate required instantaneous center as discussed. First point, since the mechanism consists of 6 links n equal to 6, therefore the number of instantaneous centers are capital N equal to small n into n minus 1 by 2. So this comes 15. Since the mechanism has 15 instantaneous centers, second point, therefore these centers may be listed in the bookkeeping table. Third point, locate the fixed and permanent instantaneous center by inspection. These centers are I12, I23, I34, I45, I56, I16 and I14 as shown in this figure. Okay, from top I13, I14, I34, then I45, then I23, I12, I56 and I16 इनफाइनाइट पे मिलेगा I16. ठीक है, I13 तो मैच हो जा रहा है कि हमने O1A को आगे एक्सटेंड किया और O2 को एक्सटेंड किया तो I13 मिल गया. वैसे ही हमने O2C को एक्सटेंड किया और I15 को एक्सटेंड किया तो हमको नीडल, ये जो हमारा रेसिप्रोकेटिंग चल रहा है, इसको एक्सटेंड किया तो हमको I15 मिल गया. Fourth point, locate the remaining neither fixed nor permanent instantaneous center by Arnold-Kennedy theorem. This is done by circle diagram as shown in the figure. Mark 6 points on the circle, that is equal to number of link in the mechanism. 6 link है तो 6 कर दिया. And join 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 1 and 1 to 4 also. ठीक है, 1 से 4 को भी यहाँ ज्वाइन किया हुआ है. To indicate the fixed and permanent instantaneous centers I12, I23, I34, I45, I56, I16 and I14 respectively. Fifth point, join 1 to 3 by dotted line. 1 से 3 को ज्वाइन कर दिया dotted line से, and 1 से to form two triangles 1 to 3 and 1 4 3 1 3 4. The side 1 3 common to both the triangle is responsible for completing the two triangles. Therefore, instantaneous center I13 lie on the intersection of I12, I23 and I14, I34 produced if necessary. Thus, center I13 is located. Mark number 8 because 7 centers already been located on the dotted line 1 3. हाँ 1 3 7 हो गया तो ये 8 सेंटर आ गया. 6 point, join 1 5 by dotted line from two triangle 1 5 6 and 1 4 5, 1 5 6 and 1 4 5. ठीक है, ये हाफ हो गया. यहाँ पर फिर से common to both the triangles as responsible for completing the two triangles. Therefore, instantaneous center I15 lie on the intersection of I16 and I56 and I14, I45 produced if necessary. The center is located and mark number 9 on the dotted line 1 5. For given example, we do not require other instantaneous center. By measurement, we find that I13A is 41 mm, 0.041, I13 is 50 mm, 0.05 meter, I14B is 23 mm, 0.023 meter, I14C 28 mm, that is equal to 0.028 meter, I15C equal to 65 mm, equal to 0.065, I15D equal to 62 mm, that is equal to 0.062 meter. Let VB is velocity of point B, VC is velocity of point C, and VD is velocity of needle at D. We know that VA by I13 equal to VB by I13B, considering center I13. So VB equal to VA by I13A into I13B. So the value of VB comes 0.817 meter per second, and VB by I14B equal to VC by I14C, considering the center I14. So VC equal to VB by I14B into I14C. So this value of VC comes 0.095 meter per second. Similarly, VC by I15C equal to VD by I15D, considering center I15. So VD equal to VC by I15C multiply I15D. So this value of VD comes 0.95 meter per second. So it is better to solve different questions that have been asked in university examination. Thank you.